guys, this is it. I finally got everything up for Halloween. As you come up to the scene, you see the trekking shop is coming up ahead where you can buy the stuff you need for your trek. You come on in and you have the Yeti crossing. In fact, he's crossed recently and left his footprint in the mud. And Jock Lindsay's snake, Reggie, seems to have gotten left behind. I guess after a night of drinking at the Raven, somebody forgot to get their pet snake. And then you have our Expedition Everest train with its boiler and the logo. And it looks like the tracks have gotten destroyed. I'm guessing the Yeti, as he came through, may have played a little bit with the trains. Of course, you have the Yeti shrine that starts off with your prayer wheels and prayer bells. The prayer wheels are actually made out of coffee cans and a couple of foam balls for toppers. The bamboo all came from our backyard, harvested from our own bamboo, and then some of the bells and things are things we've gotten at auctions and thrift stores. And then over here you have your Yeti totems, your Yeti statue. I probably will still have some things that I add to this, lighting and maybe some flowers and things like that. Actually made for his lei, I made out of an old recyclable grocery bag. Just strung him onto a piece of filament so that he has one of the marigold necklaces. Then you come over here and you've got Gupta's gear, and they're warning you about the Yeti. And there you have the shack that's being attacked by the Yeti hand. You know, Gupta's is here at the bottom of the hill. It's not at base camp. You can get some of your supplies here as you trek on up. And then the bulletin board that warns you all about the Yeti and the legend of the Yeti. Here you have Jock Lindsay's air tours. I guess he was making a little extra money in Nepal for a while. Himalayan escapes, there and back with the flying yak, and way to Mount Everest. You've got the bird, flying over our entire scene. And I'm really proud of Corey's contraption of how we got it up there and how it's put in the ground, which is all bamboo. Cool idea. And then if you want your picture made, you can come over here. Sit down in the train. Somebody can take your picture with the entire scene. Hi, somebody. Come sit in the train so I have somebody in the train. Oh, he's going to sit in the front seat. He's a brave man. No, please, sit in the front seat. Everybody knows that's the best seat in the house. Yep, and there you go. So you can just sit in the train. Let me back up a little bit. Sit in the train, and you've got this whole scene around you. Or, you know, you can come up close and get the signage behind, which is kind of cool. Yeah. What do you think, Corey?
Fun stuff.